When you see him in the club and you know you like his mug and you wanna let him know, bag it up, bag it up. See him watching your ass and you know he looking fine and you wanna let him know, bag it up, bag it up. Hey, ladies, they wanna see you bag it up. Hey, fellas, you know you never get enough. Hey, ladies, they wanna see you bag it up. Fellas, you know you never ever get enough. I'ma drop it, pop it, feel it in your pocket. Known to be the one to make you blast like a rocket. Shake my money maker, shake it so hard like I'm shaking for some paper. Well, I am cause I got you all hemmed up, cause I'm looking good like a plus size pin up. Feel it when you get up, press up on my ass like it's trying to do a sit up. But these some new jeans, I ain't trying to make it spit up. Give you a little taste, make you wanna chase. Hands up on my waist, wanna touch my naughty place. And if you didn't know it, I'm chocolate kisses. Known to be the one to make the niggas lick my dishes. Hated by the bitches, cause I got the fishes in the sea. They be chasing after me, envy. Don't look good up on your face, so wait until the back and let a winner take the space. When you see him in the club and you know you like his mug and you wanna let him know, bag it up, bag it up. See him watching your ass and you know he looking fine and you wanna let him know, bag it up, bag it up. Hey, ladies, they wanna see you bag it up. Hey, fellas, you know you never get enough. Hey, ladies, they wanna see you bag it up. Fellas, you know you never ever get enough.
I'm fresh as I wanna be, fly as I'm gonna, cold as the winter, hot like the summer. I'll make it storm, I am the thunder. Can't see me, I sight a Stevie Wonder. I do it better, y'all do not move me. I dress better, I dress groovy. Y'all smell me, blue cheek cologne. Doop, 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 now put her number in my phone. Thank God for them apples. So this year free, I get the top like a Snapple. Beneficial was the click, y'all know who we are. And if I didn't rap, I'd be a porn star. I could take her home, make her feel it in her chest. Have her saying yes, 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 yes. I'm a freak, curl her toes in your feet. I do it so good, I put her ass to sleep.
When you see him in the club and you know you like his mug and you wanna let him know, bag it up, bag it up. See him watching your ass and you know he looking fine and you wanna let him know, bag it up, bag it up. Hey, ladies, they wanna see you bag it up. Hey, fellas, you know you never get enough. Hey, ladies, they wanna see you bag it up. Fellas, you know you never ever get enough. On a scale to 1 to 10, I'm a 9 plus a 9. I'm a big girl. Are you ready for the climb? Bring your Nike boots, don't forget to bring the pine. I ain't looking for a twig, boy, I'm looking for the vine. We can intertwine, fuck the wine and dine. I'm looking for a nigga that can love me long time. Hit it from behind, feel it in your spine. Make you lose a couple inches from your waistline. Get up in your brain, make you go insane. Fiending for a little bit of purple rain. The freakier the better, the kinkier the better. Pain and pleasure, that's like them both together. Something like a breeze in some hot ass weather. The more you get the better, the more I get the better. It's the only thing coming second to my cheddar. It's the only thing coming second to my cheddar. When you see him in the club and you know you like his mug and you wanna let him know, bag it up, bag it up. See him watching your ass and you know he looking fine and you wanna let him know, bag it up, bag it up. Hey, ladies, they wanna see you bag it up. Hey, fellas, you know you never get enough. Hey, ladies, they wanna see you bag it up. Fellas, you know you never ever get enough.
This is a beneficial, exclusive.
If I was a gun, you would call me street sweeper. If I was a missile, you would call me heat seeker. Where I'm coming from, nigga, I'm the last feature. Fuck the Grim Reaper, I'm never gonna die, cause I am that fire, K-I-double-S-C, yes, that's right. Wanna write a diss rap, save all that drama. You're never gonna win, bitch, I'm the M-bomb. Lace from the base, cute in the face, and I taste like chocolate. When I see a man, he said, put me in the pocket. I'm curious, they saying I'm delirious. Just a fat girl, ain't nobody take it serious. Well, fuck them, fuck their crew, fuck you, and fuck you too. Cause I'm an ace when it comes to this rap shit. I eat kids like you and your crew up for breakfast. Lace from the base, cute in the face. 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 And I taste like chocolate when I see a man, he said, put me in the pocket. I'm the real thing, y'all just practice. It's beat gasoline and I am the matches. My pit bulls ready to attack this. I am the shit, y'all reek a cat piss. Such a savage, my pen game incredible. Newfound queen, so put me on my pedestal. Chocolate kisses, yes sir, I'm edible. Whip game proper, yeah I got several. I am money, make it rain, yes I make it storm. I'm Mr. Cool like a motherfucking unicorn. Check my uniform, the back say number one. I'm hot like lava, smoking like an empty gun. You can doubt me, but you up on the losing it. Right, left, uppercut to your chin. I'ma whip your ass, pick you up and do this shit again. You can run a race, but you're never ever gonna win. Lace from the base, cute in the face. 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 And I taste like chocolate when I see a man, he said, put me in the pocket. Anyone better than me, well that's a zero. Ain't nobody walk around saying there's zero. I ain't Superwoman, I ain't trying to be a hero. I'm just on the grind trying to get that De Niro. You can take the deuces and I take the ace. Cause I'm black like a spade and I'm cute in the face. I never waste time, I'ma cut to the chase. Step out of line and it's mace in your face. I ain't no ghost but you still better fear. Cause I'll be the chick that send your ass to the rear. In your career, make you disappear. I hope I made it clear that my words so sick. So I trump in this game. Bitches talk shit but I outshine them dames. Skilled in my craft make it stick to your brain. My art's priceless, make you hang it in the frame. Hang it in the frame. Lace from the base, cute in the face. 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 And I taste like chocolate when I see a man, he said, put me in the pocket. A good girl, then I learned ain't no place in this world for no motherfucking good girl. Nigga hit my phone talking about when you coming through. I'm coming through, nigga, when I fucking come through. Don't you got some other shit you can do? Don't you got some other bitches you can screw? Your head getting crazy, but you talk too much, telling me about your life and I don't give a fuck. They ask me why I'm so heartless and thoughtless, cause nowadays niggas they ain't trying to cuff a bitch. So if a nigga wanna play, I'ma bluff a bitch. Let me tell your ass something about a thing or two. If a nigga wanna smash, make him pay his dues. Make him take you to the mall, make him buy your shoes. Make him take you out to eat and make him buy your booze. And when you take you to his place, let him eat the box. And when you get your rocks off, don't suck his dick. Tell him that you feeling sick and that you gotta split. I'm a fucking bitch and I don't give a fuck. Cause nowadays niggas they just wanna run them up. So if you wanna treat a chick like a chicken head, I'ma peck your fucking eyes out and eat your bread. So if you come across me, that's bad luck. Cause I'ma send every nigga